People with psychosocial disabilities face stigma and discrimination with barriers against exercising their civil, economic, social and cultural rights. The Executive Director Transforming Communities for Inclusion, Dr. Bhargavi Davar, says much needs to be done to leverage opportunities of persons with disabilities with the rest of the society.
So there has been a worldwide discussion on legislations, creating enabling legislations. It is a peculiarity of many Commonwealth nations to have mental health laws. Countries which are not Commonwealth do not have mental health laws. So in the policy environment, there must be some efforts by Commonwealth nations to dismantle mental health legislation and bring persons with disabilities into mainstream disability laws, which are positive rights laws. Mental health laws are mostly penal. They are many centuries old in Commonwealth nations, and they make us into some kind of criminals. So we want to be liberated from mental health legislation and brought into mainstream laws and policies. For example, disability legislation and any other policies which impact us, the labor policies, the justice law policies, climate change policies, education policies. We must be found in all policies which are common to all citizens of a country. The other which is found all over again the Commonwealth nations is the right to vote and political participation. Often constitutions in Commonwealth nations post-independence, they would disqualify persons of unsound mind to vote. Governments must try their best to remove the unsound mind and cleanse the legal system of such concepts. They are degrading, they lead to violations, they lead to institutionalization, they lead to exclusion. So unsound mind must slowly leave the legal sector.
Dorothy Nakato Mubezi, a fellow with Transforming Communities for Inclusion Global, says they are partnering with Triumph Uganda, Mental Health and Recovery Program, and Uganda National Self-Advocacy Initiative to empower people with psychosocial disabilities in marginalized communities.
What do we need as persons with psychosocial disabilities? We need inclusion. We need to be included and fully participate in the communities on equal basis with others.
The President, Transforming Communities for Inclusion Global, Robina Arambuya, says people with psychosocial disabilities face several forms of violence on the basis of disability that calls for stakeholders' attention to address the vice.
This time, we have come with TCI. The first time TCI is coming to Uganda. We've come with a new approach for inclusion. That is transforming communities for the inclusion of persons with psychosocial disabilities. We just want to see that the communities are transformed, systems are put in place, support systems, support services for us, persons with psychosocial disabilities and other people with mental health conditions, to stay within their communities, communities of their choice, where they can be supported and we live together with other people enjoying all the opportunities on equal basis. So Transforming Communities Uganda mission is just one of the missions, the first missions on the African continent.
Transforming Communities for Inclusion provides a global platform for people with psychosocial disabilities to advocate for disability inclusion within the community.